You guys won't believe this wonderful app that I saw here. Okay, and this app, anyway, I will not lie to you. I've been using this app for a little period of time, and I've not cashed out from this app. But I decided to come and drop the update because I am in the group where they have cashed out a lot from the app, and the people that have cashed out a lot from the app are really sending their own proof. They are sending their evidence. So, and I'm displaying that's the evidence you are seeing here on the screen. No, guys, I like to be real. Like, let's be real, let's be realistic. I like to be real. Okay, I've not really cashed out from the app. I'm a newbie, and I'm going to guide you, as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to guide you one on one on how you can withdraw, how you can make money with this app. And this app is just all about chatting. All this why I have not gone to live streaming. I have not live streamed here in this app. Oh. I have not live streamed. Although there's opportunity for you to live stream anyway, but I haven't live streamed. Like I said, I'm still exploring the app. I cannot wait to come and give you guys the update. So the name of this app is called Kito. So this app, I know you might have heard about this app several times. You are being paid just to chat online. As you can see on the screen, once someone drops a message and you do not waste time in replying those messages, okay, those messages becomes, you see a diamond under your own reply. You're gonna see a diamond there, and then that diamond is money, is accumulating for you to withdraw. And when you get to the amount, the amount, the I needed the when you have accumulated the particular amount of diamond needed, then you can place your withdrawal. And guys, you know the funny thing, withdrawals are every Sunday. Hmm. Every Sunday, you draw your money out from this app. So, guys, without much ado, like I don't want to talk too much, let's dive in. I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, guys, what you are going to do, just simply go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and you type the word Kito app. When you click on Kito, you're going to see that Kito chat video call or whatsoever. So search for Kito. Search for Kito, you are going to be seeing this app you are seeing here. Mine says update because I've not updated it, but I'm not going to do that now. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'll do it later. So when you click on Kito app, you are going to see download, install, sorry. You click on install and install your videos. When you are done installing your videos, then you open the app. Like I told you guys before, this is a very new update, and I won't lie you, I have not really withdraw. Now, can you see something? Message just pop in immediately. I log in, message pop in at the front at the immediately I open the app. So what I'm going to do is click on this message top right here, because I'm going to claim that message is money. So, oh my God, I don't know if I've missed out this one. So all I'm just going to do here is just to click on it. Like I said, I've really missed out this one. I've missed out. So what if you check out, you are going to see, sorry, I'm just showing my conversations anyway, but I have no choice. I'm teaching. So you're going to see this diamond that I claimed. Are you seeing this blue diamond that I claimed some minutes earlier? So that is what this app is all about. Now let me not rush. Let's start from the beginning. When you open the app, you open after logging in with your, I have more messages coming. That's one good thing about this app. So when after you have put your password, sorry, your email, okay, you see I've gotten the 0.4 diamond, I've gotten this 4 diamond, and more messages are coming in, more at the top right here are coming in. So opening this your after opening your account, sorry guys, I'm so confused right now because I really want to end this morning. So after putting in your email, your password, filling your date of birth, and then your if you're a male or you're a female. After doing that, the next thing you are going to do is quickly head over and verify your account. Guys, I don't know if you guys are observing something. As I'm answering these people that say hi, they are dropping this blue diamond for me. That is how the apps work. This app work. Like I told you guys, I am new here, and everything that I've implemented to earn money, I'm going to be dropping it for you to see. Okay, now let's go. When you are done, so you just go to, you click the app is just very easy. They're going to direct you. Okay, they are just going to direct you. So you go there, you put in your fine profile picture, put in your picture, you verify your picture. Okay, make sure you verify your picture. And then most important thing, do not forget to put this my code when you are filling the form. If you do not put this my code there, I don't know what will become of you. So please try as much as you can to put my code here when you are filling the form. More messages are still coming in. So when you are done filling it, when you come to this app every blessed day, you click on, let me not go to cash out, let's leave it first. You click on this place that say end diamond down here, this end diamond, click on end diamond. You are going to see your daily tax. Okay, I have already logged in. That's why this diamond tick blue. And these are the diamond that I'm going to earn if I fill all this my tasks. I'm going to start a 5 minute live stream, but I have never live stream in this app. Like I told you guys, I'm new and I've started earning, and I have to tell you guys this, okay? When you invite someone, you are getting your own benefit as well. You join a family, female family members, you receive gifts from them, you are getting to your diamond. You go to party, host a party for 10 minutes, you are getting your diamond. Family, and in fact, this is just all ways you can, you can just earn money from this app, okay? And then if you don't want all this, maybe it's too stressful, please just go and be responding to messages. And this particular first phrase you are seeing here, when you click on this phrase you are seeing here, any person feel like maybe you like the person the way he's doing, just click on like. When you click on like, you see, they've already matched both of us together. You swap it right. You see the next person. If you don't like the person, you swap it left. As you are doing all those things, I don't want to be doing this because this is people's faces. Okay, let me just go to another place. So as you are doing it, as you are doing it, the app is automatically sending messages to those people, like the people that say hi. These are their app automatically sending messages to them that someone liked their picture, and then they will drop a hi to them. Now, in terms of cashing out, because that is where I know people want to see, we want to cash out. So look at this, my cash out that is here. Let's click on it. So when you click on the cash out, you have options. Oh my God, my battery is low. So when you click on the cash out, you have options. Like as you can see here, the cash out withdrawal is every Sunday. I'm making this video on Friday. Okay, this is 12 a.m. So Saturday early morning, 12 a.m. midnight. So they said it's just one day remaining for the withdrawal day. So you withdraw from here every Sunday, and then I've already banned my ePay account. For those of you that don't know how to open ePay accounts, guys, I've teach you how to open your ePay account. But if you don't want to withdraw through ePay, don't bother. I'm going to show you different ways of withdrawing, okay? I've done my authentication, but I've not done my KYC. I've not withdrawn, like I said. Can you see this pure evidence? I'm not lying. I've not withdrawn and I've not done my KYC. So I have to do all these things before I withdraw. And to do all these things, they are very easy. Don't find it difficult. So let's click on this band channel first, so you see what I'm trying to tell you. See it. If you don't have an ePay account, you can withdraw through bank transfer, USDT or PayPal. And when you click on bank transfer, let me surprise you. When you click on bank transfer, you are going to see different banks in Nigeria that you can put your Nigeria account and withdraw direct. Are you seeing them? Do you recognize any bank now? Do you? So these are banks in Nigeria that you can put in account number, payee name, mobile phone number, address, email, and then, yes, that is all. You click OK to withdraw your money if you want to withdraw through your local bank. Okay, now let's go to the exchange. When I click on this exchange here, it's telling me that if I have this diamond you am seeing here now, if this diamond is up to 500 diamond, it stands for $5. I can automatically withdraw. I don't know if you are getting me. 5 diamond. This 5 diamond you are seeing here. Okay, let me go back. Once my money gets up to 5 diamond, it's automatically $5. I can place my withdrawal. Okay, once my money gets up to 1000 diamond, I can place my withdrawal. Do you get? That is for the money aspect. And then if I want to exchange this diamond to coins so that I can use it and gift people, of course 100 coins will give me 103 gold. That's what this place is explaining to you. 500 coins, I can exchange it and use it to gift people. You will give me 515 gold, but I'm not looking at that aspect. I'm looking at the aspect of withdrawing the money. So we want to withdraw 500 coins is equivalent to $5. 10,000 1,000 coins is equivalent to $10. Do you get? So assuming I have up to that, please set up a withdrawal condition first. Do you see? I just click, let me click on it again. I just click on this $5. When I click it, they say please set up your withdrawal condition first. That was what I was actually looking for. So when you click it now, assuming I have up to $5 and I've set my withdrawal condition, that is filling my bank details and every other thing. Of course, I'm automatically going to withdraw money from here ASAP. But I have not filled my bank details and I have not met the criteria for withdrawing, so there's no need for me to withdraw. So if you find this information helpful, please do well to subscribe, comment, share this video to your loved one, and click on the notification bell for YouTube to notify you when next I post my videos. Okay, so if you have not subscribed up to this time, please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment of what you want me to teach you, okay, and or if you have any question. All right, so YouTube will keep recommending these videos for people out there, and you keep seeing my wonderful updates anytime I drop more updates.